Not with rotten bananas, no. But
How do you make
that's
it?
pretty gross. Ooh, ew.
This is what you're supposed to do. It's a little dark, maybe.
Just give it to me. Okay.
Your knife sucks.
I'm playing basketball on the basketball hoop. Figured I'd just come out, shoot some hoops. It's freaking cold. But yeah, I have a week and then I get to go home. Which honestly, I never thought I'd be excited to say it, but I'm excited to say it, that I get to go home and visit for a few days. What's on yours? Tofu, avocado, tomato, sprouts.
Your girlfriend on YouTube now, so you get more views.
We are in the redwoods today and trying to film some stuff for social media. It's so pretty here. Like, the trees are quite amazing. No, I'm talking about for my YouTube channel.
Sorry. Why would you ask?
But it's like cold here, but it's hot. Wow! What a hole! So I got called to another site to do some social media video stuff for them, so now I'm doing it. And the beach is absolutely beautiful. You know, sometimes I do like this job because I get paid to like do stuff like this where I just have to film, which is nice. The social media aspect is really nice. Gives me the sense of hope that I can have a job that's fully social media. Sunsets on the beach. Just can't get any better than that, you know? All right, good morning guys. I am basically editing today. I'm still at the other site, slept over all that stuff. And now I'm gonna eat breakfast and I'm gonna edit here. And then once it gets kind of lighter outside, then I'm gonna try to go out and film more. Try to film as much as I can so I don't have to like keep coming back here, because it's like an hour and a half away from my current site that I live at. But yeah, so also I've been reading this book called Atomic Habits and it's so good. I highly recommend it. It was like, it took a while for me to get this book from the library because so many people have checked it out. And I can't renew it either because people have already like asked to check it out. So what I'm eating for breakfast is black bean chili verde. I have no idea. But if you look at the protein, it's got 37 grams of protein. And it's like enough calories for a breakfast, like 360, it's not bad. And there's only 7 grams of fat, which is nice. It's a little bit slimy, not gonna lie, this part is. But let's try it, I don't know, it looks quite interesting. I just dropped that on my laptop. It's not bad at all. I literally think it's just beans in here. I think it's so crazy to be able to walk amongst the giants. Like, it's such a privilege. It's just so pretty. It's just so nice. I don't know. Looks some type of chapel. I guess it'd be really small. There's a cross on the top of the building. Just that is pretty. Okay, so this is my favorite spot. This is called the Redwood Grove. And basically it's like a tiny circle, right? But it's like full with redwoods surrounding it. It's so cool. Cause like, yeah. It's just so pretty. We of course had to get more conchas because they're just so good. We are now headed to a Goodwill. Sometimes we don't need the clothing, we just like to look.
I'm tired.
She's tired.
I didn't sleep, but
We both didn't sleep good, but I'm used to not sleeping good, so I always have energy. All right, so we both ended up getting one pair of pants. Hale's got polo cargos, which I picked out for her actually. And then I got a pair of Tommy pants, which is nice. Yeah. Thrifting.